Grabe. Honestly, bini sa Coachella Weekend 2? Iba na talaga. Hindi nito yung simpleng, wow, may Filipino sa Coachella. This time, ramdam mo na they own the stage. Alam mo yung feeling na after Weekend 1, iniisip ng lahat. Okay, paano nila tataasan pa yon? Pero ginawa nila. At hindi lang basta tinaasan ha, mas confident, mas sharp, mas controlled, mas emotional. Pagpasok pa lang nila with that kulintang intro, goosebumps agad. Kasi hindi siya simpleng performance opening lang. Para siyang statement agad na we are here and we are bringing the Philippines with us. Ang lakas ng dating nun. Tapos yung entrance nila with sunglasses. Then biglang outfit reveal. Wow, ang galing talaga ng timing. Very global popstar energy, pero may sariling identity pa rin. Hindi trying hard maging international. Natural na international level talaga. Napansin ko rin, mas relax sila this time ha, pero mas powerful. Parang Weekend 1 was proving themselves. Pero Weekend 2 was them to enjoy, the fact na alam nilang belong sila doon. At ang crowd reaction, grabe, sobrang layo na. Yung chance pa lang before sila lumabas, ibig sabihin, kilala na sila ng audience. Hindi na curiosity lang, inaabangan na talaga. Pero personally, ang pinakatumama sa akin was nung bawat member nag-greet gamit ang kanilang sariling dialect. Ang simple pero sobrang meaningful kasi hindi lang sila nag-perform as idols. Dala nila buong Pilipinas sa stage. Tapos nung sinabi ni Joanna na grabe ang daming Pinoy, ramdam mo yung sincerity, hindi scripted, hindi forced. Totoong overwhelmed sila. At si Maloy, ibang level din talagang energy niya. Kapag siya nagsabi ng, Coachella, are you ready to jump with us? Automatic buhay ang crowd. Pero honestly, isa sa strongest moments talaga yung dulo. Pantropiko as closing song. Perfect choice. Kasi doon mo makita talaga na hindi sila technically magaling. They know how to leave a mark. Then yung nag-full Philippine flag na yung backdrop, tapos nagbow sila, tapos kita mo yung naiiyak na yung iba sa kanila. Doon talaga tumama eh. Kasi bigla mong marirealize, hindi lang ito performance para sa karir nila. History to. At bilang Pinoy, ang sarap panoorin na hindi na tayo nasa point na humihingi ng recognition. This time, binibigay na siya sa atin. Ang pinakagusto ko, hindi sila nagbukhang pressured. Mas lalo silang naging totoo. Mas lalo silang naging bini. At ngayon masasabi mo talaga, Weekend 1 introduced them. Pero Weekend 2 confirmed na hindi ito one-time moment. They are really building something big. At sa totoo lang ang next question na ngayon is hindi na, can Bini compete globally? Ang tanong na ngayon, hanggang saan pa sila aabot? Because clearly, simula pa lang to. Kung Pinoy ka at napapanood mo to, imposible hindi ka magiging proud. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino.